Now they're basically going over how do you blend out the base of your basically telling you how you blend out the base, so that way it won't have to look tacky and you want it to look flawless and you want it to look really smooth. So basically they said you got to do a lot of blending out of this base so that way you can have a very flawless full coverage eyeshadow look. I put on both Rumour this is Rumour 3 and this is Rumour 4, and I mixed them together.
Hey guys, just wanted to hop in and give a quick disclaimer. This is a look and learn, so I'm following along with them, but my look won't look exactly like theirs. I did put my own little touch on it, and I am definitely following along to the best of my abilities. I was super excited about this class, so being that this is my first makeup class, I didn't know what to expect, but overall I think I did a fairly good job. I will have subtitles in here, so just follow along and watch with
your eyeshadows to grip, and that's how you get a good color payoff. And you got it. They say you have to let it dry down. That's why this side is pretty much dry. So that's what I'm trying to do now. This is the Crayon brush. I'm not even sure the number that's on here. It's kind of off, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it and use that to pat that in.
Hey guys, I'm back. So keep in mind this was a 3-hour class. It didn't feel like a 3-hour class, but honestly I had so much fun. I learned so much during this class. They were going fairly fast simply because they do this on a daily. I was just starting to get a feel of how they blend, how they pack on those colors. So if you see that mine's like a little bit darker, a little bit lighter at times, it's because I am trying my best to do it exactly like they do it because I am such a perfectionist. But overall I believe that the color payoff was so bomb, and I did everything to the best of my ability because they were just so informative, so helpful, and super sweet, by the way. So if you see me like looking and blending, stopping and blending, that's because I'm just trying to catch up, get a feel of how they blend and how I'm blending, and just making sure that I'm staying on track with them.
So she's switching brushes, and I'm just trying to figure out which one. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my trying to figure out which brush she's using right now. So I'm gonna take my Jeffreestar. This is the J56 brush. It kind of looks like this. She want like a smokiness on the edges right there. Since our eye is pretty much different, I want to make sure, like, you know, that we're still on the same page. And now she's on top. So she used the 115, right? I was on point. So now I'm going above that. She's staying on the outer corner, and it's like really bright. So I'm gonna go in every time she blends. I see she's blending it out with another brush. So I'm gonna actually take, this is a Jeffreestar JS8 brush by Morphe.
As we go with first class, we're placing it on the 50-50 marker. 50% on down under, 50% on the base, and we're going to start to push it out using small...
shade right here, maybe this white or this one.
And Red says, I'm only doing one eye on myself.
So right now I've just completed the eyeliner. I'm going to do the same thing on this side, and I actually use, this is the NYX Vivid Bright, and this is in the shade Vivid Fire. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on this. So the thing about when I messed up, I was able to go back in with my base and basically clean it up. I took my favorite highlighter by Academy of Color, and I took this shade right here as my shimmer shade that they use for the top of their eye. Okay, so Fleeky Friday. I used this on my last tutorial. This is the her, what do you call this, glitter glue. So I might put some of that on there. Let's see how that'll look. Here is the final look, and I am obsessed. I'm gonna do my foundation off camera and then come back when I do my lips, but for the most part, for being that this is my very first virtual class, very first makeup class ever, I think I did pretty good. I'm here for the crispiness. I feel like the technique was a little different, not so much hard, but like a little bit different from what I'm used to doing. But I've learned a lot today, and I've learned how to blend, how to be precise on my coloring, how to stay in the lines, and basically how to get my cut crease to be super sharp. Like, let me zoom that in for you guys so you can see. that this blend is not a joke. Like, look at that. It's freaking unreal how sharp that is. Yeah, I am basically here for this. Like I said, I'm gonna do my foundation and then I'll be back.